In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product listings in Shopify with ease and efficiency. This straightforward guide is perfect whether you're new to Shopify or looking to streamline your store operations. So let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First, we'll start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the My Store section, which you'll find on the homepage. This is your control center, the place where you'll manage every aspect of your online store. Next, click on the Products tab. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have listed in your store. Here, you'll have an overview of your merchandise, which is crucial for inventory management, pricing strategies, and more. Now, to make changes to multiple products at once, you'll want to utilize the Bulk Edit feature. Start by clicking on the products you wish to adjust. If you have a particular selection in mind that needs updating, you can highlight those specific items. With the desired products highlighted, proceed by selecting the Bulk Edit option. This powerful tool saves a considerable amount of time, allowing you to modify several product details concurrently instead of individually. It's particularly helpful for seasonal inventory shifts or pricing adjustments across your store. Once you're in the Bulk Edit mode, look for the Columns button. Clicking on it will let you choose which information fields you wish to edit. These columns represent various attributes like price, inventory numbers, and in this instance, the weight of your products. After you've set your columns, click on the Weight option. This will open up the editable window for product weights. Adjusting weights can be especially important if your shipping costs are calculated based on the weight of products. Accurate weights ensure that your shipping rates are correctly applied at checkout. Now go ahead and modify the weight of each selected item according to your latest product specifications or shipping needs. Be meticulous here, as these changes can impact your shipping calculations and overall customer satisfaction. Lastly, once you've made all necessary adjustments, don't forget to hit the Save button. It confirms your changes and updates your Shopify store with the freshest details. Saving your work regularizes the edits, ensuring that everything is recorded in real time, preventing any discrepancies. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to manage your Shopify product listings using bulk editing. This process not just saves time, but also keeps your store accurate and up to date. Be sure to check out any additional settings or tips in your Shopify Help Center if you have specific questions. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!